Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Santa Fe wiper blades. First, let's get prepared. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle's engine is off. Gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool, which can help with clips. It's also a good idea to place a towel or cloth on your windshield to protect it in case the wiper arm accidentally springs back. Now let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be cautious not to let it snap back, as this could crack your glass. Next, examine the connection point where the blade meets the arm. Most Hyundai Santa Fe models use a hook-style attachment or a pinch tab. Press the release tab or button, then slide the old blade down and off the arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or attachment point on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield, ensuring it rests properly. To finish up, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades. Ensure they operate smoothly across the windshield without streaking or making excessive noise. It's also a good practice to clean your windshield regularly to maximize the life and performance of your new blades. For more tips on maintaining your vehicle and improving your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.